What's she gonna try to do? Sit on it so it doesn't get cold, doesn't get wet?
You better get used to the water first.
Tally, you need to get used to the water first. Put your leg in.
Put your feet in first and just get used to it. You're gonna fall.
You are gonna fall. You cannot stand on that, Tyler. It'll hurt your head, buddy.
Listen to Papa. Put your feet in. Not the boogie board yet. First we get used to the water.
You don't have to go in if it's too cold, Tyler. I think it's too cold.
Me too. Ready? Say 1, 2, 3.
Tyler, put the boogie board or I'm going to take it.
3.
Come out of here. Come out of here. Wow.
Woo! Woo! You guys are the polar bears today.
I saved you.